In every government or non-government school, we often see that the names of the classes are written in Roman letters. And we have taken an example from these Roman letters. This is the way to write 5 in Roman letters. If 5 is subtracted from 5 in Roman letters, what will be the answer? Most of us will answer that the answer will be 0. But if now we are asked how 0 is written in Roman letters, what will be the answer? There is no 0 in Roman letters. So we can see that 0 is not written anywhere in the Roman letters written outside any class. Alia Bhatt wrote about 0 in his book. From the name, it also seems that he is an old elder in Alia Bhatt's family. As India's trade relations with other countries increased, so did India's knowledge of mathematics reach the whole world. This is the history of India. And the achievement of India's history is that today India's number system is used all over the world.